Have you ever wondered how we peek into the past and understand the complex ways ancient societies were structured, long before written records or census data existed? It is a fascinating challenge, but archaeologists have powerful methods to uncover these hidden social layers. Archaeologists interpret ancient social divisions primarily by meticulously analyzing patterns in material culture and the spatial organization of archaeological sites. They look for consistent differences in what people owned, how they lived, and how they were buried, which can signal varying levels of status, wealth, or power within a community. The core reason this approach works is that social status and roles often manifest through differential access to resources and the strategic use of symbols. Higher status individuals or groups typically had more valuable or exotic goods, lived in larger or more centrally located dwellings, and received more elaborate burials. These material expressions are not random. They are tangible reflections of underlying social structures and distinctions, whether economic, political, or ideological. Examining the types of tools, domestic items, food remains, and even waste disposal patterns provides a window into who had what and why. To put this into practice, archaeologists systematically examine several key lines of evidence. They analyze grave goods, noting the quantity, quality, and origin of items interred with individuals. Large, ornate, or foreign objects in a burial often point to higher status. They also study residential architecture, comparing the size, construction materials, and location of houses, as well as access to resources like water or fertile land, which can differentiate elite from commoner dwellings. Furthermore, studying craft production areas can reveal evidence of specialized labor and the control over valuable resources, indicating economic hierarchies. Analyzing settlement patterns, including the hierarchy of sites across a landscape or the presence of defensive structures, can also illuminate socio-political organization. A key concept here is the archaeological examination of ostentatious display, or the inverse, evidence of sumptuary laws. While direct evidence of sumptuary laws, which are regulations restricting consumption based on social class, is rare, archaeologists can infer similar social controls by observing patterns in material culture that indicate restrictions on who could own or display certain items. These insights reveal not just wealth differences, but the very mechanisms by which social identity and power were maintained or challenged in antiquity. Ultimately, by piecing together these material fragments, archaeologists reconstruct the intricate social fabric of ancient civilizations. This allows us to understand the varied lives of individuals within past communities, shedding light on the historical development of social inequality, interdependence, and the enduring human tendency to organize into distinct groups.